Hello everybody, we're going to do a couple of area problems. One of the problems will involve finding the total area of two figures combined, and another one will involve finding the area of a shaded region where we will need to subtract one figure from another. Start out with this one. The area of this figure looks like we have a triangle combined with a square. So finding the area of this combined figure would mean finding the area of the triangle plus the square. Triangle formula is 1/2 base times height, whereas the square is a little bit easier in that we just have to find the side of the square and square it. For the triangle, our base is down here, 6. The height of the triangle, well, I have this segment here, which is 4. We also have this segment here, which is part of the square. It also is 4. The 4 and the 4 combine to make a height of 8. The side of the square we can see. It's pretty easy. One side is 4. So here we take 4 and square it. Simplifying our expression here, 1/2 of 6 is 3. So now we just have 3 times 8. 4 squared is 16. 3 times the 8 makes 24. Then we add the 24 to the 16 to get a total of 40. And this is measured in yards. Yards squared. We measure area in square units. This figure happens to be measured in yards, so the final answer, 40 yards squared. Let's look at another one here. This time it's finding what's the approximate area of the shaded region. The shaded region we can see here is the inside of the circle, but we're going to subtract away a triangle. We'll first find the area of a circle, and then we will take away that of a triangle. The formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. The triangle, just like the other example, 1/2 base times height. Looking at this circle, it seems our center is right here. We have a diameter of 16, but the area needs the radius. The radius is 8, given that the diameter is 16. Remember, to find the radius, just take 1/2 of the diameter. So we have 8 squared times pi, and we will use 3.14 for pi, since we're just finding an approximation. Go ahead and finish this out. If you take 8 squared, you get 64. 64 times 3.14, calculator says 200.96. That takes care of the area of the circle. We need to subtract away the area of the triangle. Now it's not too well noted here. We know the base. The base of the triangle is 16. It happens to match the diameter. Base is 16 here. The height of the triangle drops straight down from the top vertex, perpendicular to the base, and it happens to be matched up perfectly with the radius of the triangle, or the radius of the circle, the radius being 8. The height of the triangle happens to also be 8. Simplifying here, 1/2 times 16 is 8. 8 times 8, we have a 64. And we use our calculator, 200.96 minus 64. Final answer, 136.96 square feet. That gives us the area of the shaded region, with the result of taking a circle and subtracting a triangle.